Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fill out IRS Form SS-4. So this form is used to apply for a EIN, which is basically a business tax ID. You'll need this if you're starting a business, hiring employees, or opening a business bank account. So in this video, I'll walk you through the main parts of the form step by step. So let's start at the top. So first, you'll enter the legal name of the entity. If you have a business name that is different, you can add that on the next line. After that, fill in the mailing address and street address. Make sure everything is correct because this is where the IRS will send you your EIN details. So next, you move to the responsible party section. So this is the person who owns or controls the business. Enter the name and social security number or ITIN. After that, choose your business type. You'll see options like sole proprietor, partnership corporation, or LLC. Just check the one that matches your situation. And if you selected LLC, you'll also need to answer a few extra questions about it. Then go to the reason for applying. So this could be starting a new business, hiring employees, or banking purposes. Just select the one that applies to you. Next, enter the date that your business started and closing month of your accounting year. So most people just put December. After that, you'll estimate the number of employees you expect to have and the type, like agricultural, household, or other. And finally, describe your main business activity. Then review everything carefully. Once that's done, sign and date the form, and that is it. You can now submit the form online, by fax, or by mail. So thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.